Reveal to you that if you come to this house, there's no office in this house that is allowed to subscribe to DSTV or any satellite television. It is the same for...
Well, it's good. I know you watch Joy News.
Absolutely.
So thank John MAHAMA for that.
Absolutely.
You watch it.
So you will say that, but that is a trivial matter. But he has done that because when you computed the cost, it was significant money.
Consume local.
I have no difficulty consuming local. My appetite is local. So I actually watch.
So you mean, so his cut is affecting what you watch?
Absolutely. You can turn on the television that you see here. You will find that I'm only limited to local television stations.
All right. So, the sports minister Kofi Adams said John Dramani Mahama kachire yes Ghana foresee he's not going to allow any minister and any government institution be use DSTV in their offices. But God being so good, and I said it has been good to me. God being so good to me that Kofi Adams have been watching DSTV in his office, and God has exposed them that most of this President John Dramani Mahama's appointees are watching DSTV in their offices. The question is, will John Dramani Mahama, President John Dramani Mahama, will he punish this minister for violating his rules and regulations? And Paula do much Eddie Maumo to Obisafo Umainko Nenkotidia Paula do much Kafa Sabuina Ayembra.
Let's now look at the video of Felix Kwachiofosu announcing to the nation that John Dramani Mahama, the president, has directed that in Jubilee House there should be no DSTV. Have a look.
I reveal to you that if you come to this house, there's no office in this house that is allowed to subscribe to DSTV or any satellite television. It is the same for...
Well, it's good. I know you watch Joy News.
Absolutely.
So thank John MAHAMA for that.
Absolutely.
You watch it.
So you will say that, but that is a trivial matter. But he has done that because when you computed the cost, it was significant money.
Consume local.
I have no difficulty consuming local. My appetite is local. So I actually watch...
So you mean, so his cut is affecting what you watch?
Absolutely. You can turn on the television that you see here. You will find that I'm only limited to local television stations. Yes, but if you add it together, and it is something that will be extended to all government agencies.
Now let's look at the statement. Mahama bans satellite TV subscription at Jubilee House. President John Dramani Mahama has banned the use of DSTV and other satellite television subscriptions at the Jubilee House, with plans underway to extend the policy to all government agencies. The move, according to the government, is part of a broader cost-saving agenda to eliminate non-essential public spending and demonstrate modesty in government. That's very important. Speaking in an exclusive interview with Evans Mensah on Joy News, the Minister of State for Government Communication, Felix Ofosu-Kwakye, disclosed that no office at the presidency is currently allowed to subscribe to pay TV services. Quote, I can reveal to you that if you come to this house, there is no office in this house that is allowed to subscribe to DSTV or any satellite television, unquote, he said. Quote again, you would say that this is a trivial matter, but he has done that because when you compute the cost, it was significant money. Mr. Ofosu-Kwakye added that the directive is already being enforced at the presidency and will soon apply across all public institutions. You can turn on television that you see here. You will find that I'm only limited to local television stations. It is something that will be extended to all government agencies to ensure that we don't waste the taxpayers' money, unquote. When I saw this, I was concerned that if you are a communications office at the office of the president of Ghana, very important country in Africa, you should be looking at CNN when they report on Africa. You should be looking at British Broadcasting Corporation, the BBC, when they report on Africa. You should be looking at Al Jazeera in the documentaries that they're doing about Africa. You should be looking at Bloomberg in the things that they are telling you about Africa. You should be looking at SABC, South African Broadcasting Corporation, and how they report their things. You should be looking at Channels TV in Nigeria and how they report their things. You should have access at one go and in clear digital camera, all the local television channels, GBC, TV3, Metro TV, Joy News, UTV, all of it is on DSTV. If you take DSTV off, you have to channel search Metro TV on the analog. or the DTT. Both can be very complicated. DSTV makes it very simple. So that's the first thing that came to my mind. But how are you going to do your work? You're a communications person. You are Bridget Otu. You are Shamima Muslim. You are Felix Kwachofosu. You are Amma Pratt. You are sitting in the office. You don't have DSTV. You can't watch CNN. If you are told that, hey, Charlie, news break right now, there's something in Egypt. You can't watch CNN. You can't watch SABC. I thought that what is the point? I mean, you know, as President Kofi said, in Ghana, we know the cost of everything. We don't know the value of anything. That's what President Kofi said. I'm not saying it. President Kofi said it. And in Ghana, we know the cost of everything. We don't know the value of anything. Governments are there to create and to add and to think and to do big things and new things and novel things. That's 120,000 that you're squeezing off the budget. Felix Kwachofosu's budget is 78 million Ghana cedis per annum. 78 million. What is 120,000 so that you can get the accurate information? I thought that wasn't a good move. I thought it was propaganda to show that, oh, we are not spending your money. You are spending 78 million cedis on government budget. What the money being used for, I don't know. Maybe it's useful. You can't take 120 to give DSTV so that they can see CNN, they can see Bloomberg, they can see BBC, and they can see all that. What are they going to do in the office? Communications office, that's what you do. Go to Nigeria, that's all wrong. Go to British number 10 Downing Street. Communication people have televisions in their office. They are watching this, watching that, watching this, watching that. People are monitoring. You need to monitor to have the information. We are an information age, Felix Kwachofosu. We are in an information age. You don't block information because you are saving 120,000 cedis. What's the point? You have 78 million. You don't want to commit 120,000 cedis to see it. At worst, you can talk to DSTV and say, look, DSTV, come, sit down. Can you give a discount on the Jubilee House? Hurry up, hurry up. You work in Ghana. You have made so much money in Ghana. You have made so much profit in Ghana. You have so many subscribers. All of us in this room are subscribers in our homes. Go and cancel the Jubilee House and do it protocol. Hurry up. They will do it. They are talking to the office of the president of Ghana. They will do it. They will say, we'll think about it. They will do it. In that meeting, you come and put some George there to sit down. You put Haruna Idrisu, Minister for Education, Minister for Interior. And then you bring Kofi Boachi. You wear his suit and you squeeze his face and come and sit down. They can't be afraid of him. If you like an Al-Jakba, then put DSTV manager there. Say, Chief, how are you? Good morning. My name is Felix Kwachofos. With me is Mubarak Muntaka, is the Minister for Interior. You know him. Haruna Idrisu is here. And you know your man, Sam George, he's here. And Richard Jakpa too has come. He is my friend. He just came. Don't be afraid when you see him. But Charlie, we've called you for a very important matter. Every month, we are paying you guys 120,000 cedis. 120,000 cedis, you DSTV won't do anything to you. Why can you not put us on a protocol at the office of the president? And let's have an agreement for the next 5 years. They may say they want something, they want this, they want that. So you must have the Deputy Minister of Finance too there. Because DSTV will say, oh, we too. The other day when we went to Gapoha, Charlie, the bill that Gapoha gave us for some cable, it was too much. Felix, can you do something about it? Finance Minister, can you do something about it? They say that their bill at Gapoha is... This is how you run government and you solve problems. So that DSTV will go and then cut it off. They may not give you zero. They'll say, okay, Government of Ghana, Office of the President, 120, pay 10,000. That's it, you are gone. You can then come and make your glorious announcement and say that, people of Ghana, we were paying 120,000 of your money to the Office of the President. But now we've spoken to DSTV, they've cut it off. We are working. Because the content that is being churned out from those international channels, you, Felix Kwachofosu, and your team, you need it. You need it. So I was watching them, and I told, this conversation I'm having, I've had it in the studio, I've had it in the office, I've shared with plenty of friends of mine. So this afternoon, the people were calling me that, Charlie, the thing you said, Kofi Adams is watching the match, Kofi Adams is watching, please show the Kofi Adams video. Show it, Kofi Adams. He was watching the thing free, the Black Stars match on DSTV. Have a look. Oh, good. Oh, wow. Keep the sound, keep this. Yeah, that's Ghana on the ball. That's the goal, Jordan. You scored the goal. Kofi Adams was watching. Look at his DSTV decoder. Look at Kofi Adams. I love Kofi Adams. You know, he's a happy man. He happies himself. You know, he's a great happy man. MP for Boem. He's very happy. The guy was watching the DSTV in gross violation of the president's instructions given through Felix Kwachofosu. When GH1 put up the video and it was going viral, GH1 came to take off the video because they told her, hey, GH1, take off the video from there. Who told you that I should put this video there? They didn't know that we had the video already. Kofi Adams, that's him. Oh. You see President Mohammed's photograph behind him. You see his nice chair in the sports minister's office with the Ghana flag. And he's wearing Ghana jersey because today is Ghana Day. He's watching Ghana ball. You see, but so the sports minister, he's busy, so he didn't go to N'Djamena. He wants to watch the Black Stars match. GBC is not showing the match, or GBC do not have the rights to show the match. TV3 is not showing the match. Metro TV is not showing the match. So the sports minister should sit down and not be able to watch the game. Felix Kwacho Fosu. Is that the point that you are making? The sports minister should sit down and he shouldn't watch the game. Then the sports minister goes to watch the game. Then GH1 put it on, and then they go and shout on GH1. GH1 take that thing off. They took the video off. This is Jordan Ayew scoring the first goal that Ghana scored today. So, you know, come back to the studio. Let's wrap it up and go to the Ghana Water people. Kofi, I'm with you. Kofi, I'm with you. How can you be a sports minister and then you are sitting in your office and then they say don't watch the ball because president says that nobody should watch DSTV? Well, what matter cry is this? Uncle Felix. On Anyazo. You don't want Kofi Adams to watch DSTV. What should he watch? If people in your office, they won't watch Bloomberg, they won't watch CNN, they won't watch BBC, they won't watch Al Jazeera. What should they watch? If there's a matter in the British Parliament and you go on internet and says that British Parliament cuts aid to African countries including Ghana, live on BBC, Shamima cannot see it. She can't watch it. How she should take a car, spark a car, drive home to East Legon, and by the time she gets there, the story is finished.